Hey everyone, welcome back to Wellness from Home, your space to recharge, relax, and reconnect. If you're feeling a little anxious or stressed out lately, you're not alone. Today I'm going to share 5 easy and powerful ways to reduce stress and anxiety, right from home. Let's jump in. Tip #1, breathe with intention. One of the fastest ways to calm your nervous system is through deep breathing. Try this. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6. Do this for 2 minutes and feel the difference. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, helping your body move out of fight or flight mode. Tip #2, move your body. Exercise doesn't mean intense workouts. It can be stretching, yoga, or just dancing in your pajamas. Moving your body releases endorphins, your natural mood boosters. Tip #3, digital detox moments. Sometimes what we need is to disconnect to reconnect. Take 15-30 minutes daily to unplug. No screens. Just you, your breath, maybe a journal or a good book. Write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude reduces anxiety by shifting focus. Tip #4, herbal tea and calm rituals. Herbal teas like chamomile, lavender, or lemon balm can naturally calm the nervous system. Make this part of a wind-down ritual at night. It trains your body to relax. Avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. It can sneakily increase anxiety. Tip #5, connect with yourself. Mindfulness, meditation, and journaling help you process your thoughts instead of bottling them up. Even 5 minutes a day can change how you react to stress. Try a free meditation app like Insight Timer or Calm. Remember, stress and anxiety are signals, your body's way of asking for care. Start with 1 tip today. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more wellness content every week.